This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Sunrise Margarita. Okay, so we rim with lime slices. We just rimmed up with some lime. Beautiful. Get the lime around the rim. Put some tahini on. Get a nice little tahini rim going. Beautiful. Ooh, look at the tahini. Okay, so pineapple, lime, and jalapeno. Get a nice little muddle in. You don't put too much in, guys, and don't go too crazy on the muddling the lime because it's gonna be bitter, if you muddle the skin too much. All right, put in some crushed ice, and we come over that with some tequila. All right, followed by some triple sec. Come behind it with some sweet and sour. Then a bit of agave nectar. Wow. Okay. Give it a little stir. If you want, you could shake that independently and then pour it over the crushed ice. It's still good to go.